Introducing the LPS Potter Puppet Pals. In order of appearance. First is Snape. Snape, Dumbledore, Ron, Hermione, Harry, and Voldemort. Yeah. So we made, Alana and I made a Harry Potter Pal video, a parody, I guess. The Harry Potter Pal people, you guys are awesome. We love your videos. Yeah, so basically we picked a bunch of Lola's pet shops and synced them up to the mysterious ticking noise.
So this is actually how we picked them. We picked this one as Professor Snape because
he's a cat and he's dark and scary.
Yeah. We picked this one as Professor
Dumbledore. We don't know why, really.
It's just like he has white hair and he looks old,
Dumbledore,
basically.
Ron.
We picked this one as Ron because it's orange, and we don't have any orange ones. Except for a girl cat, and we have a baby bee, but we couldn't use any of those.
Yeah. And then Hermione, we picked Hermione because like the hair color's the same, and it's kind of ratty and awesome.
Yeah, we picked this one as Harry. We really don't know why. We just did.
And
this is, of course, Voldemort because
he's a
snake. He's a Parselton. Yeah.
Yes. What the heck? Avada Kedavra.
Ready? Okay, so watch our next videos, and we'll have like musical numbers for each person.
There will be an annotation or a
link URL,
something in somewhere in the video. Yeah.
For the Potter Pals.
Thumbs up or subscribe and do all that good stuff.
Okay, so watch our next videos because each one of these people, maybe not every single one, but most of them will have their own musical number. So look out for them. And thank you to Potter Pals. We love you guys. And all these videos are dedicated to you. Thanks.
This has been an Alana W production. She's Alana.
Yes, I am.